the President. The man lying here with us, Jack Reriani, was the eldest among the sons of the late Mother Kirigo and Mzee Gachagua. He's a man that we all hold in the highest esteem as a family. Our parents, the late Mzee Gachagua Reriani and his wife, Mother, popularly known as Mathira, were peasant farmers and ex-freedom fighters. And when they came from the forest, unlike today, they did not know about insurance. What they did about education, they came up with an insurance scheme to make sure they get the rest. So my parents, we were 9 of us, and they tried so hard. They educated Jack Reriani and Governor Rigathi Gachagua and told them to educate the rest of us. Myself, my sister Lillian, who is in London, my sister Mudhoni, who is here, we were handed over to Jack by my parents. This man paid my school fees from Form 1 to Form 6. And I'm so grateful to God because God gave me an opportunity to tell him, thank you for educating me. When they came for our inauguration, Your Excellency, they stayed with me in Nairobi for 3 days, and I had an opportunity to thank him profoundly for having seen me through school on behalf of my parents who are lacking. And I feel that the opportunity I had to tell him thank you when he was alive, it's God who created for me that opportunity. I want to ask all of us, where we can, those who are able, take care of your siblings. See them through school, assist them in life. So as we escort my late brother, I have a debt of gratitude to him. And as a way of giving back, I'll make sure that his wife, who has been left behind, his children, Stephen and your kids, whatever God can help me to see you through, I'll do it as a way of appreciation to my late brother who saw me through education. My late brother was also the head of our family, the Kirigo family. We were 4, now I'm left, and I'll do what I can in terms of providing leadership to our sisters and our children who have been left behind. And I ask our family to stay united. And we have accepted what has happened. We have taken a bit of hitting for the last 10 years or so as a family. But we are asking God no questions. Because all the difficult things have happened, God has equally given us so many other blessings. And therefore, we are not in a position to complain or ask any question. We have accepted the will of God. And all we have to do as a family is to stay united. And like our parents taught us, education, education, education. Let us educate our children. In a family of 9, we were 7 graduates. From parents who are peasants. They just knew that education is important. Alafu wakapanga hiyo insurance, unasomesha wawili, alafu wanasukuma wale wengine. I think it's a good concept. I think some of us were not very wise. When Wazungus came, they told us to get only 2 children, and we accepted. Looking back, in my case, I think it was foolish. Because when I sit in my house, it's a big house, my children are gone, I'm just here with Pastor Dorcas. If you leave a glass here, you come back after 2 months, you just find it there. Is that a home really? So these are things that we did in those days of the 70s. Oh, family planning, nini. Tukasikiza hiyo maneno, tukafuata bila kufikiria. So we find ourselves in a situation that is not very nice. You know, Your Excellency, on behalf of my family, let me thank you with Mama Rachel. I really want to thank you. You have been there for us. Anytime we have been in tears in this family, you always turn up with a handkerchief to wipe our tears. We have no words to say thank you. And the truth be said, from our relationship, you have become one of our family. You have become one of our family. We celebrate you, we cherish you, and we don't take that friendship for granted. The last time you came for my mother, you remember me telling you. And I told you, in front of everybody, that this family of Gachagua, we are honest people, we are people of integrity, and we value friendship. And I told you, if other Kenyans will betray you, that betrayal will not come from this family. We don't know betrayal. We are people who are true to friends. And that is why I, with my family, made a conscious decision to stand with you in very difficult circumstances, against all odds, against all pressure, against insurmountable challenges, because we are an honorable family. And I have told our children, I had a meeting with them last night, and I told them, because they are young people, integrity and being faithful to friends is an important ingredient in life. And I have guided these young people. I had a long meeting with them last night, and I told them, as long as they carry the Gachagua family name, they must remain true to friends, they must be honest people, and they must always stand with what they believe in. Your Excellency, in a family meeting last night, when we were discussing you and the role you have played in this family, of holding us, holding our hand, always be there with us, I was given very clear and sufficient instructions by the family that I must serve you with loyalty and dedication. I was told by my family to give back to your support for this family, for your true friendship, in the duties you have given me to assist you in the management of the affairs of this great nation. They told me to work very hard to make sure I ease your work and I assist you to succeed. My family is of the opinion, and rightly so, that electing President William Ruto is not enough. President William Ruto must succeed and turn around this country. So I want to confirm to you, sir, that whatever duties you give me, I'll implement them with military precision. I'll be there, and I'll do whatever you tell me to do, so that this country that is pregnant with expectation, the people of this country, Your Excellency, have such high hope in your leadership. They have so much expectation. And I know that you must work very hard. And for you to succeed, those of us you have given a responsibility to help you, we must work equally hard. So I want to confirm before my family that I will not let you down. I will do whatever it takes, and will be there for you to give you the necessary support so that you are in a position to turn around the economy of this country and restore the dignity of our people. And for that, I ask my family and my people of Rega to continue praying for me to succeed in helping this great man. Finally, watu ya Mlima Kenya, nichukue nafasi hii kupongeza nyinyi kwa sababu mumetafutia jamii yetu heshima katika siasa ya Kenya. Hapo awali tulikuwa tunawekelewa fitina ya kwamba sisi ni watu ambaye tunajipenda, sisi ni watu ambao ni wa kutumia wengine, sisi ni watu ambaye hatuwezi pigia mtu mwingine kura ambaye hatoki hapa. Lakini nyinyi watu wa mlima, nyinyi ni watu ya maajabu. Nyinyi ni watu ya maajabu. I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You don't know what you have done to our community. You have gotten us respect in Kenya for the next 200 years. That the people of the mountain are honest people. They are people of integrity. They are true to their word. And they are people who appreciate a good deed. Your Excellency, the people of this region did not vote for you because you supported President Uhuru Kenyatta. They did not vote for you because of the 10-10 fraud. No. They voted for you. They made a conscious decision that you have a plan, you have a program to turn around their lives and put money in their pockets. That is why they voted for you. Your Excellency, you have pronounced yourself very clearly that the way to go is to increase production in agriculture. And the people of this area are farmers. And they are coffee farmers, they are tea farmers, they are dairy farmers. And the program that you have is what Muyedeire ne anyu ne jega ne koruta wira ne mukumiga mahoya ini ne mukumenyitirira na mahoya ne mukumirugamirira iruta wira Kenya icenjie maisha maitu mwina manegwe koguo gawitu amurathime na mwike wega na andu aitu muriega na muri abata na muri agoro neguo gawitu amurathime na mwike wega. Reverend Jessica Mau, I want to thank you. When I said an invitation, you come and bury my brother, and you accepted, I was humbled. I'm always amazed by your clarity of thought. You have given us a very moving sermon like you have always done. We are truly grateful. And you always dignify our PCA church. Let me thank the parish of Gorano and the Reverend Minor and Kigajo Presbytery. You are always supporting this family. We want to thank you. Mary Catholic Choir, I want to thank you. Gogoro PCA, you are the best. Victor's Chapel Praise and Worship, Pongezi. Karatina Praise and Worship, you are always there for us. And Herega Secondary, thank you for coming. I know I promised you a gate, a good one. Manezea Wamumbi will put up that gate for you. I've already told him. And when the president comes around to the Sagana State Lodge, I'll request him to come and take tea with you. With those very many remarks, it is now my honor